The Canon Pixma E470 is a popular choice for budget-conscious users looking for wireless printing capabilities. In this video, we will explore its core features, economy, and ideal use cases to help you decide if it is the right printer for your needs. This compact machine offers versatile functionality, including printing, scanning, and copying. It features a 60-sheet rear tray and supports a 4, letter, and legal paper sizes. With a flatbed scanner capturing 600 by 1200 dpi, it balances performance with a lightweight 3.5 kilogram design. Getting started is straightforward. Users simply need to plug in the power, install the necessary drivers on their device, and then the printer is ready to execute your jobs efficiently. Connectivity is a key highlight, as smartphones can connect directly to the printer using Wi-Fi and wireless direct. Users can easily manage printing tasks through the Canon Print app or fetch online files using Pixma Cloud Link. The E470 is designed for convenience, featuring an automatic wake-up function. When you send a print command, the network automatically activates the printer. It also helps save energy by entering a low-power mode during periods of inactivity. In terms of economy, the cartridges provide a reliable page yield. The PG-47 black cartridge can print up to 400 pages, while the CL-57S color cartridge yields 180 pages, making it a cost-effective option for light to moderate printing. For daily documents, the E470 provides steady output. It delivers a print resolution of 4,800 by 600 dpi, with a printing speed of 8 pages per minute for black and white documents and 4 pages per minute for color. When comparing the E470 Inkjet to an ink tank model, the E470 offers a lower upfront machine cost and simple maintenance. It is well suited for a monthly volume of 50 to 200 pages, whereas ink tank models are typically designed for much higher volumes. It is important to note that certain features require manual operation. The E470 does not support automatic, double-sided, or duplex printing, meaning users must flip pages manually. Additionally, it is not designed for high-speed batch output. Ultimately, the E470 is an ideal fit for casual home users. Whether you are a student needing low upfront costs or a family looking for wireless convenience, this printer efficiently manages a monthly print volume of 50 to 200 pages.